How you doing, guys? And welcome back to the show. But today is a special show. I'm handing over the camera to Cito because he's going to a place that you guys always want me to go, but I can't go. He's going, and he's taking you guys along for the ride.
Man, I don't know if I can handle this responsibility. Hey, Fresco Channel, are you guys ready to go on this adventure? If you say yes, give us a thumbs up. Let's go with the show. I'm scared, guys.
So enjoy it, and look out. I wish I was you.
We're gonna go. I'm doing it for Fresco Channel. Anything for Fresco Channel.
So let's go have some fun in the sun. Well, guys, I would have loved to gone along myself, but I couldn't. And Cito did me the favor of taking a camera and record the 3-day trip for a Bimini event. Now, how cool is that? I'm watching Fresco Channel. I feel like a viewer.
So hey guys, what's going on? As you can see, Fresco has given me full access to his cameras for this awesome trip to Bimini. Like how he said he couldn't make it. Big fuel truck passing by. So we're on our way to Bimini, and I hope I don't let you guys down. Let's see if I can take you guys on a ride, and let's rock and roll.
And I'm pretty sure Cito feels pretty lucky because he's getting to ride this beautiful 42-foot Hydro Sport with quad 350s that belongs to Miami legend DJ Laz.
Fortunate, we got invited by the captain today, Lazaro Mendez. So we're here. This trip is thank you, by the way.
You're welcome. We're going to Bimini, people. We're going to Bimini for the Freestyle in Paradise concert with George Lamont and Cynthia. And
for those guys who love freestyle,
good times.
This is a good times, and thank you for letting us jump on board with you. Yes. And we're on.
By the way, they get all new Cuban cards.
Why?
Today. Because they took Cuban time to a whole nother level. What time do we have here?
What time is it?
Yeah, almost 2:30.
Se fue el terpique.
El
terpique.
So at 2:30 we're leaving. They're supposed to be in my house at 10.
Cuban time.
Well, you said nosy.
So there you have it. We Laz put us on timeout.
We're going, damn it. We're going.
We're going.
Let's go have fun and catch some fish and listen to good music and,
have some fun in the sun.
Do all that shit.
Hey!
Welcome to paradise.
Ladies and gentlemen, after an hour and change, we made it to
beautiful Bimini, Bahamas.
It was a nice ride. We played music, we danced, we had fun, right? You had a good time?
My hair says yes.
Was one of the greatest innovators. They know to and the right. There's a whole yard full of fans.
So we made it to North Bimini, and basically it was a good smooth ride. We made it to the Hilton Bimini Resort, and we're at North Bimini, and we're gonna go through customs, and this is gonna be a brand new experience for me. I've never made it to Bimini on boat, believe it or not. I've been here before through helicopter and other stuff, but this is really interesting making it from Miami. It was nice and flat. It was a smooth ride over here. We had a good time listening to music, and check it out. This is where it is at. Hello, how are you? All right, all right. All right, guys. So we made it to Bimini, and we submitted all our custom papers. As you can see, we're here at the beautiful Bimini Hilton Resort. They have a lot of docking space here, and beautiful homes right across. Gorgeous homes. And this is our vessel right there. Gorgeous Bimini Resort. We filled out all the paperwork, something that I learned, and I'm gonna do my best. The captain of the vessel has to fill out, you know, I guess immigration forms. Every passenger, you gotta have your passport, and they clear you. It's really nice. Everybody here is very accommodating, and I wanna show you guys some of the stuff. Check it out. So we made it, we're good. Here representing Fresco Channel. So far so good. It was a smooth ride over. Everybody here is very friendly. They're very helpful. If you have any questions filling out the paperwork. So if you guys ever flown internationally, it's the same exact thing. Same kind of paperwork. The only difference is that instead of putting your flight number, if you came by boat, then you put your vessel number and you say that you came by boat. So let's enjoy.
Well, it looks like Cito, Laz, and the girls had a smooth ride over here. I mean, who wouldn't? On a 42-foot Hydro Sport, 2 feet or less. So they got pretty lucky. Now let me tell you guys a story about my situation. I've tried to go to Bimini 4 times. Packed and ready to go. The boat filled up with gas. All the food ready. Something comes up. Bad weather shows up. And like this one, we were supposed to go too, but Olguita's dad got really sick, so we decided to stay behind just in case things got worse. Or the last time that you guys already know, I was actually on the way out and the steering system broke down, so I had to turn around. But you know what? I'm not giving up. One day you'll see me on Bimini. But for now, we're gonna enjoy Cito's video.
let's see what the rooms look like. Wow. Really nice. It's really big in here. See what we got in here. We got a room there. Big bedroom. I don't know where the lights are. Let's find the lights. Can't find the lights. Big closet. Really big closet. It's a walk-in closet. Living room. Housekeeping.
Ah, welcome, welcome, welcome. Look at you, very, very sneaky with that goddamn camera.
This is it right here. It's really nice.
Very
Hey.
nice. Yes, thank you.
You're important in the Bahamas?
How?
Not when you got a hot blonde next to you, or a brunette. But when you have your own parking space, go show them where the car's parked, please. Go ahead.
Is this it?
Yeah. Where's it parked?
It's parked
That's you.
in the head. Is that real? Is that real?
All day.
The good thing about rolling with Laz is that we get the best parking ever.
I'm telling you. I don't know.
He's dead serious. We're leaving in this car. This is his spot.
Hey, it's on 12s.
They clean though. They clean though. They clean though. So Laz said he's gonna take us on a journey into base.
Hey, welcome to beautiful Bimini, Bahamas. You can tell the handicapped guy holding the camera, because that shit ain't working right.
Every house has golf carts in it.
That's the only way to get around this place. Either that or Tom and Jerry.
And orchids.
Okay.
Beach
Oh, that's a
bikes.
rock over there?
This is called Rockwell Beach.
The water looks so good.
Now this is pretty cool. The last time I was here, it was like 7 years ago. And wow, Bimini has changed a lot. And it looks like they're driving around the Florida Keys, but on the wrong side of the road.
here. You want to try to come back and make you food?
What's up, Poppy? What's happening?
I got it going.
Cheers. So Rose, how do you like this area?
It's so beautiful. I'm looking forward to going in this water. Look at that.
You want to go in?
Yes.
Vanessa, where are we going?
To Big John.
To Big John's?
And she has to go to the John.
Yes,
So where are we going?
to Big John's.
Big John's.
Big John's. Do you have a Big John?
Laz, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Where are you guys from?
Well, it looks like Cito and Laz are having a great time at Bimini, and they gave us a little tour around the island, and they wined up at Big John's. But don't go away, because remember, they were here 3 days, and tomorrow they're taking us fishing and to a pool party that went up to a night party. So make sure to stay tuned for the next episode.